Hey guys.
Hey guys, Rock the Rules gang. Today we're gonna be making clear, and she's gonna be making colorful, color changing slime. So right now, I got started. She might make it, but I don't know.
How do you do it? How do you do it?
I'm about to get to it.
You just put a whole thing. So basically,
I'm almost done.
If you want to, you can.
And it's
you can
getting
do this.
clear.
You can use this. All right, so we have a special guest today. This is LJ's best friend Lucas. Say
Yo,
hi,
what's up?
Lucas. This is his cousin, I think.
Yeah.
And then that's my brother JD. Y'all saw him. Oh, yep. So today we'll all be making
Give me my
slime.
cup back.
I don't have a.
You get a little one.
Oh wow. It don't matter.
She's not over here. You can have it. Since you're
You can
more
use one of these.
No, you can have it.
So I'm just gonna like follow what
These
you
are
do,
mine.
Chelsea. I'm just gonna follow what you
So you see what LJ's doing?
Get that.
See what LJ's doing?
Yeah.
So all he did is pour glue in there. Are you making
this
it glue?
glue? Clear slime.
Right now, I'm gonna go with my hand.
So it says measure the 15. If you want to do that, you can.
So I could just pour the whole thing in phone.
All right. So guess what? I'm not doing the different changing colors because then
I
you
want that,
gotta
I want
wait.
that.
No, you can't because then you have to use water for room temperature, and that's gonna room temperature takes forever.
You use all of it.
There's 2 of them.
There's 3 of them.
That's slime activator.
I do see this ain't actually
Oh,
slime
it's
because I
mine.
failed.
I'm not.
I think I failed, guys.
You failed.
So you just keep mixing it or something? Like that?
So right now I'm in the process of adding my glue.
You just keep doing this?
Oh, that failed.
So you just keep doing this? Like that?
Did you put anything in there?
Yeah.
What you put in there?
Oh, you need to put, what type of stuff do you need?
You put activator in there. JD has the activator.
Yep, I failed.
You did?
I might use green.
It always ends up like that because you remember our last one ended up like that?
Yeah, I think it's supposed to end up like
No, it's not.
it's not.
It's supposed to end up like that in the picture. So hold
So
on.
then what do you do?
I'm actually about to follow the instructions. Alright, so it says
Ooh,
Comment down below if it's supposed to be like this.
it says
Yeah, comment down below.
measure 15 milliliters of clear glue. I'm gonna use this.
Oh wow.
Yep, I failed. Who wants it?
He said, yep, I feel. Who wants it?
Add color.
I need some more. I can.
No, I don't want to add
Oh, that's weird.
it. At least I can make it again, can I?
Yeah, sure.
Let's see how it is.
Right now I'm measuring 15 milliliters.
Well, this could be body instead of slime. For real. Because she's seeing facts.
Just put more of that.
You use this.
You use a whole bunch that ain't
Yeah, it's gonna fail. You put too much. Too much.
I think I put too
Okay,
much,
guys,
too.
so I have
I'm
my
not put too much.
15
I'm going
milliliters
to take all this out. Because I
from
messed
this,
up.
and I'm going to.
Messed up on some of the parts. Some of the...
What
Yes,
happened to
we
this
start.
stick?
Okay, and then it says pour it into the bowl, which I did. Scrape down the walls out the cup and get as much as you can, which I'm gonna do right now.
Well, I failed, so how do you do it again?
Just add glue and then restart it. And then
I don't know
add
if I
too much
failed or not.
activator.
Yep, probably.
Oh, I'm not giving out my glue. I got it for a reason. I got my own for a reason. Sorry guys.
All I have is this small.
My
I
thing
added
is
too
so
much
messy.
activator. That's all
What
we
is
know.
this?
I think we got the one that's supposed to be changing colors just because this thing's coming out purple and pink.
Yeah.
He
It's
said,
supposed to-
yeah.
Wait, so do we?
Honestly,
Ooh, I think I
we're not
success.
doing changing colors. Let's take
Okay,
My
so Chelsea,
go-to
can you
for
help
in
me?
the
Because
freezer.
I'm not big on slime
Oh,
either.
neither.
You know that.
I have to wait
You're
until
not.
I make mine to be able to help you, so you don't mess up yours. And you took my spoon.
I didn't.
You did.
Well,
Yes,
I feel as though I failed with the paint.
Just somebody took my spoon. Oh well. Oh no, it's right here. Alright, so then it says scrape
Oh
down as
my
much of the glue
God.
as possible. Measure 20 milliliters of water. Pour it
So
into the
I just like poured
room
it out.
temperature. I
Activator.
can't. I don't have water to do that.
Oh, you put all 3.
No, I put these two.
Okay, guys. So I'll be
I
right
put all
back.
3 in mine.
Actually, JD, can you do me a favor, please? Can you go get some water, please, and put it in there?
Yeah, you go.
My girl 2-4 in the freezer.
I think mine is coming out.
Comment down below if you know that song.
Let me see.
So you can add that to this.
Let me see this.
Yeah, I think mine is coming out right.
Oh, it's starting to.
Hey. I don't know how I did it.
I'm just making clear
Pour that
slime.
out.
Okay. I think I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna sit here and play with
Whoa.
it. Maybe if you add some lotion to it.
What is this?
Oh wow.
So pick your color.
I want a lot. Like you do more than one.
Yeah, that's what I did.
If
That's
you
what I'm
want
doing.
to,
I
guess.
did the green and the purple and pink to make this.
I think since this crazy
I'm
art
putting
thing,
some of the
you have to
orange.
wait for a little bit. So
Good.
I don't know.
I got
Where's the thing to do it?
This is my first
Like,
time,
is there
so I
sticks?
really don't know.
So where's my measuring cup?
This looks horrible.
Cause last time I failed, so this time it's gonna go straight in neatly
This is the
and
reason why I'm
really
not doing this
calmly.
one.
So I
This
won't
is
fail
exactly
this
the
time.
reason I'm not doing this.
I
Oh,
looks
you
like
got the
it's coming out
spoon
right.
in there.
Oh snap!
You got the spoon stuff.
Is this like paint?
I'm measuring to see if I have the right amount.
Yep, this is good.
I have a
Yeah, I
feeling
feel
mine's
like-
isn't going. Is that white glue?
So this is clear. I just have to wait 3 days so it can.
This looks horrible.
Then how did you get it white?
Mine so far.
I have to wait 3 to 7 days. So
Wait,
it can,
no. How did you get it white? If this one is clear, basically.
I don't know.
And it's-
Cause I'm
it's
doing this
sticking
one
to the
right.
end.
I got
I
it.
did that one wrong.
Yeah, mine's is supposed to look right if I keep on mixing.
You're
Mine's
supposed to keep
too.
on mixing.
How do you keep on mixing? Just like
Stupid mosquitoes.
I have not getting bitten by a mosquito yet today.
Facts, I did it.
This is like my second time. Oh, you got all the. Wow.
I usually get bit real quick, so you must be more sensitive than I am. All right, so I just added my activator.
This is getting. This is coming out really good. Probably I just need to add a little bit more activator.
Wait, hold on, what?
Okay, guys, I have a feeling that this is gonna turn out right. I do. I have a feeling.
But you
I
making
feel
clear
that.
slime too?
Over there at Ava's house.
Well, no, I don't think it's gonna turn out right.
I think this is
I'm scared of a
right.
lot of things.
No, you did it.
I'm not scared of
You're
a lot
scared of
of
dogs?
things. No, I have a dog.
What is he scared
I
of?
mean, I wouldn't be dealing
Judy,
with
how did
Liam's
you
dog
get
if I
yours
did,
like that?
if I was scared of dogs.
I don't know.
He didn't know. That's because I should have got that small cup like him.
Who?
Look, mine's is coming out.
My clear slime is coming out good.
I'm just gonna make a whole new one.
Because last time I checked,
Should I
What-
start
what is
doing it
this
with my
supposed to
hand
be?
now?
I'm going in with my hand.
I should.
I'm going in with my hand.
JD, I mean, LJ, how'd you get yours like that?
I don't know.
LJ is like a pro at slime.
Well, thank you, Lucas. And right now, I don't know what I'm
this is
doing.
why I don't do slime.
I love slime. Me and LJ.
I mean, yours is.
I like slime, but
And
I
make
don't know.
sure you watch
No.
my other videos
No, his
because you know my
actually
other videos, they lit.
I like
Kinda,
slime, but
yeah.
I don't know how to use
Oh my
it.
God! Look at the color.
Bro, that's like this.
I'm
Okay,
not
I
a
just got bit. I
professional
just got
at
bit.
YouTubing.
Mine is like a dirty
It's just
rainbow.
because, like, I just started and I'm the beginning.
Hold
It is
on.
like a
Did you
dirty
use
rainbow.
3
Are
bottles
you just
of
like
glue?
No, only use
trying to
one.
make all the glue?
You just took one of mine. You just took one?
No, all of these is over here. That's ours. That's our slime.
No, this is slime activator. LJ, you just took one of my clear glues. You took one of them, so I gotta take this one.
I don't care. I don't need no.
Yo, mine is too sticky. I need someone to do this for me.
Oh,
Someone actually
They
add
get
some
you took your
activator.
slime
LJ, can you make me one?
One of y'all get me activator. One of y'all get me activator.
I don't think you wanna do that.
I don't need it.
it's dry.
How'd y'all do that?
I don't know.
I don't
Can y'all
know.
get me
I just kept
activator?
mixing.
Y'all get me activator.
Anyway,
Mine is really sticky.
Mine's just bouncy.
Bouncy.
What do you-
Liam.
Look at Liam. He all mad.
Well, I mean, I'm good.
get this stick off of me. Thank you. Get off.
Bro,
One of y'all get me activator.
it's right there.
Put it in my hand. Well, in the slime.
Okay, guys. Mine's right there.
Wait, so you
Yeah.
restarting the whole thing, brand new thing of slime?
one's coming,
So
baby.
you're not gonna keep that
When
one.
do
I
y'all
feel
put
it.
slime in
It's
this?
sticky.
You just
Okay,
make it a
okay.
You just making a new one.
I feel it.
Sticky.
How do you do that?
I don't know. You want to take it? Okay, y'all then get me some activator in this.
Then you can wait. Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna put this on your package, JD. You gotta move that.
Why'd you even bring it out here?
Oh, it's already on his packet.
No. Get it off me.
How about you do it?
I'm so glad that I didn't have school today.
You didn't?
No, the water main
He came over my house at like 7 o'clock in the morning.
7:31 actually.
Or 7:31 in the morning.
Oh, my slime, baby.
Yo, how do you?
Can I play with it?
Can I
just
get it
wanna
on
feel
sticky? I just
They
want
had
to
a
get it on
water
sticky.
main break. So
Wait, what?
they had a water main break.
What's that?
Like
The water pipe busted.
yeah. So nobody in my school.
Yeah,
can
my
get any water.
slime.
What school do you go to?
Odyssey.
Good middle school. Oh yeah, you did. Tracy, can you take over this for me?
When's your birthday?
December
Who
30th.
is that?
Who this?
Yeah.
Can someone take over for me?
How about? Hold up.
LJ the God,
LJ, the god of slime. Can you help?
can you help?
Can you
Wow.
stop calling me the god of slime?
LJ, can you help me? Look at this.
Best friend, can you help me?
Mine is pulling apart like rubber.
Exactly.
But if you pull it apart slowly, it.
Alright, that's all I believe. You do the rest.
Mine, if I pull it out slowly, yeah, that's what mine too. If I pull it out like that, it'll be stretchy. But if I'm gonna do that,
I'm done with this. I can't do it, and none of y'all help me.
Can one of y'all take all the slime off of me and try to add it?
we need help on your slime.
JD, really, how did you do this?
I don't know.
I can't get that off of you. You gotta get water.
I can just rub it.
Okay, guys, so most of the time on our YouTube videos, you'll see
Oh,
us making
it's
slime
working.
because we're slime freaks.
Yep, we love slime.
And currently, we are outside
Yep, as you can see.
getting bit up by
And
mosquitoes.
we're at our old house, which I probably didn't tell you. I didn't make a video about me moving. I probably did it. Well, that's what, yep, I did it. But, as y'all know, I just told you in this video, I moved.
I'm going to his new house.
Move, Liam. Liam, move. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
That's so funny.
My slime is what? A success. Now, it's a success.
A mess. Yours is a success. LJ, yours is a success, but mine is just a mess.
Ooh, baby.
Let me
Oh,
help
look
you.
at that. Look at that.
Yo!
Look at that. Look what I just did.
There's stuff in
Let me
there.
see.
It's glue.
Glue in there?
Where's the slime activator?
Why? It's not
It
gonna
sticks
do
together.
nothing. No, because it's not gonna do nothing. It's gonna make it worse. You're not wasting mine.
That's not yours. You took it and you put it over there.
No, it's
It was
Best
over
friend.
here, and then you took
Best
it and
friend
put
here.
it
You
over
have
there.
slime activators right there, best friend.
Yeah, thank you, LJ.
That's it. That's it. The best friend.
so
But
one of
you
y'all
welcome too.
use
Oh, do you want
mine.
to add
Y'all
this to
use
that?
mine.
No.
That mine is color.
Where my slime? That's my slime. That
I just
ruined.
mixed ours.
Can I have that one?
If you want.
Y'all used my, and y'all mixed it.
So I
My
took
slime
2
is
different sticks.
a
You can see it right there.
So if you make clear slime,
used my
have to
paint
wait
and mixed
till
it, and I
3
don't want
to
it like
7
that.
days.
Green stick.
And I didn't search this up on Google. I actually got it from another video.
Go.
From Lightford Brothers.
Hey, put the
And
bags down. You live fast
Make
now.
sure
Mosquito on
you
your
go
back.
subscribe to them.
I had to get that mosquito off your
Yo,
back.
that was slime.
Messed up.
It wasn't done. Like, it wasn't gonna stick.
See? It sticks together.
Mine was a success.
I just saved your life.
Okay, you can move.
Let me see. Hold up.
Alright.
And then you like pull it back apart. You're supposed to pull it apart
You
slowly.
want to see it?
No, I had this one.
No, you went like.
Success.
Okay, they already saw. You said it. You got to get that in my hair.
Oh, no.
Y'all want to play basketball?
How do you like your fails?
That's all it was.
I put 3 drops in there.
Put that one down.
I'm adding a
that
drop
one
at
don't
a
matter,
time, just so I don't mess it up.
That's how I got mine like this. Oh, a bubble. Mine's coming into a success.
Ow. I'm hurt. Liam just pushed me off the trampoline.
So yes, this house is the kids' house where all the kids come because we got the trampoline and we're the coolest kids.
Cool kids. Oh, my slime, my slime, my slime. Come on now.
Come on, now you can push it. What's up?
I'm sorry. People are jumping on the trampoline and it's like making. But look at my slime. I'm so excited.
Lucas, stop stepping on the table. I'm not doing it no way. I think I messed it up.
No, you didn't. It has bubbles in it. That's good. Cause when you have bubbles in it. Oh, my slime is success. Oh.
Do you have any more
Oh.
slime glue?
Oh.
No, you're not using mine.
Now that.
No, that's
You got a
mine.
full thing.
I don't care. Ask your best friend.
One.
I'm gonna keep on going until I make it right.
I had color. That's what I did.
Fine.
Is this
Clear
too
slime.
much?
It's supposed to be clear. Have to wait till 3 seconds. Oh, you dumb mosquitoes. Let me see. Hold up. It's sticky.
Just add a drop in at a time because I'm getting bit up.
Lucas,
We
look
should
at
never
the
do this
slime. Look at
outside.
the slime I gave you.
I just had it. Help me with this child.
You're so irresponsible.
And since I don't have big enough containers, I might put it in like like
I'm just doing this for fun
they
now.
took it.
'Cause I'm
actually
not.
no, I have a good container. Hold up, yeah.
You just took one.
You can use this little container because you have little slime.
They don't have
That's not yours. That's LJ's.
This is mine. These caps too. These are 2 mine.
Where's the activator?
That's my slime.
Yo, my slime. I love it. Huh? I love it.
Yeah, more than me.
That's why I have it.
Because I had to share with people that didn't know how to make it.
Exactly, because nobody was trying to help me.
It wasn't only Lucas. It was his cousin too.
Hey, I'm finally trying
Look
to
at
make
my
these-
slime.
I'm doing more.
Look at that shit. Hold on.
Look, my mosquito bites.
Hey, hear that sound?
Can I feel it?
LJ, you're like the.
Can I feel it?
As you know, I'm the best slime maker up in this joint. I'm about to have to go. I'm about to leave soon.
Aiden was just over
We're
here.
not leaving yet.
I know. I said soon.
I might go over.
We're not leaving till like 9 tonight.
I'm probably might just stay.
We're having a party here.
I know.
Okay, guys.
I'm sorry. I don't know how to make a swirl yet. So.
Well, this ain't working, so I'm about to just get on.
What is this? Oh, this is my slime.
I'm gonna keep on going like this.
All you need to do, if you just want your slime to be a good success, do the same routine. Just mix it, and then if you go on your hands, it will come together more like slime. Oh, and my slime is not sticky no more because I'm getting it all over my hand.
Can you fix the hole now, Jeff?
Come on, man. We can take them.
My slime is success. All right, now I'm about to wait the 3 to 7 days so it can like turn in the clear slime. Make sure you comment down below. Say like subscribe. Comment down below. What's your favorite slime? And like
So guys, I'm not done mine
subscribe
yet.
subscribe to Life for Brothers and make sure you subscribe to our channel. And like, thank you, bye, love you.